XRP breaks below this range. When is the next buying opportunity? That's what we're going to talk about. So XRP just broke below. If you see this red candle, we went down to 0.676, and as long as we stayed above that, we were going to stay in this range. However, we just broke below, as you can see here, and my stop loss triggered. So I bought down here, but my stop loss, I got stopped out. Thankfully, because we're probably going lower. Not a lot lower, but I wanted to make sure I got stopped out if we went below this range around here, because I do think we're going to head down in this direction around 59 cents or 58 cents around the 200-day moving average, or sorry, 50-day moving average, before we start heading up again. And I was looking at historic similar patterns, and I did find back in, I'll show you here. This looks pretty similar. Where we went down to here, and then once we broke down below this bottom right here, we saw one more pump up for a few more days before we headed back down. So we could see something like that. We could pump back up to the 70s, maybe 75, maybe even 80 if it's super strong. And then we could just drop back down for XRP. And when we head back down, like I've been saying, we'll probably head down to 58, something around there. So I am thinking that is going to be a great buying opportunity. So yeah, I mean, we could bounce back up here before we head back down, or we might just head back down to around 59, 58 pretty soon. Be interesting to see. So I'll definitely keep my eye on this. More things I wanted to share. This is here. Well, here is an image from Rahul Pal. And this is kind of showing where we're at in the crypto market right now. And as you can see, whenever it's below this gray line here, it's a phenomenal buying opportunity, like generational wealth buying opportunity, people like to say. We are still below this gray line right here. And so we're still in a great buying opportunity. And another thing that's extremely, extremely bullish for crypto that I'm really excited about is Rahul Pal recently said that he believes crypto is heading up to a $10 trillion market cap. Now let's look at what we did last time. The total market cap with crypto, we headed up to 3 trillion. If we head up to 10 trillion, that is a big deal, guys, because guys and gals, because I mean, think about what kind of a move. I mean, we'll probably hang out here for some time, but think about what kind of a move that would require heading into 2025. 10 trillion, that is massive. That's a massive move. Massive. All right, so this is exciting, guys. I mean, for those who think they might have missed the boat on crypto, this is still a generational wealth building opportunity. Okay. So that's exciting. In terms of when's the next buying opportunity for XRP, definitely when we're down around 59 cents, whenever that is. And I'm sorry, I can't tell you exactly when that is, but timing, if anyone can predict when something is going to go down a certain time, you probably shouldn't believe them, because it mostly just takes luck to be able to predict those kinds of things. We can give kind of a ballpark estimate, but try not to fall for people telling you exactly what day it's going to head down to a certain price. That's practically impossible to, predict it that accurately. But in terms of just a price level, around 59, 58, I think would be really solid buy-in. If it goes down further, it could go to 53 cents. But I think since we're probably not going to go below this level, because usually it back tests the top of this range right here. As you can see, this is the top of this wick right here. So that's around 58. So that's what I'm thinking. That would be a phenomenal buying opportunity. That's what I'm planning. I'm probably going to go in hard in that area. Really buy there. Not financial advice. It's just what I'm thinking, what I'm doing with my money. In terms of the volume, we're not getting a lot of sell volume. Well, okay. I guess we're getting a somewhat of a decent amount. That's true. But in terms of the last week, that's a pretty low sell volume. So it'll be interesting to see what happens in this next week. And okay, I also wanted to look at the astrology. So the astrology for XRP, there's not too much going on in August. We do have the North Node squaring XRP Mars. So we could see a good buying opportunity. Let's see. But this is kind of an energy of being thrust, XRP being thrust into a new direction. But since it's a square, it's probably a negative aspect. I gotta be honest, guys, this is tough to predict, okay? Like, this is not like just easy to predict this stuff. I'm not sure, but I think the main thing is if it heads down to 58 cents, that's what I'm thinking about buying. But there's not, let's see, I mean, there's some positive astrology coming through towards the end of August with Venus trine XRP Moon. So if we do head down to 58 in the next couple weeks, I'm planning to buy, and then that's just what I'm planning. And okay, there's the XRP chart right there. So let me know in the comments what you guys are thinking. I think that's all for today. Bitcoin's just hanging out the same level here. Either we've already back tested this area around 28,400. That's really an area right here that me and my colleagues are thinking Bitcoin is going to hold. So we could see one more test around 28,400, and then most likely we're going to head up from there. I'd say it's much more unlikely that we're going to drop below that level. In fact, we're probably going to stay above this trend line. So next week it'll be really interesting if we stay, actually in the next few days, we'll see if we stay above this trend line or if we head below it. Obviously, if it stays above the trend line, then that's very bullish. We're going to head up back into the 30s, maybe even the mid 30s. If we head below it, that's more bearish, and then we'll probably hang out there a little bit longer. maybe through September, because September is usually bearish for Bitcoin historically. All right, so that's about all I got for today. One little update is I have one coaching spot available for personal development. This is not necessarily about crypto, although that could be part of it. But if you are a leader, you're looking to upgrade your personal development in your life, you're looking to free up your time, even heal your heart, do some inner work, and become the leader that you feel like you're meant to be on this earth, then check out my coaching page. I just updated it, and you can scroll down, look at the testimonials, learn more about the deeper work that I do, which is deep personal development, spiritual coaching work. And you can scroll down and watch the video. About halfway down, you can watch the video about my story, a little bit about my life, being a personal development coach for the past 12 years with my wife, Amanda. And yeah, everything I've learned throughout those years, and the teachers that I've had, and all of the education that I've invested in. So you could just kind of learn more about me, where I'm coming from. And of course, check that out if you are interested, and you could apply for a introductory session there. All right, much love, guys. Definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.